Get ready to discover an amazing trading strategy that could boost your earnings big time. By combining two secret indicators, we've created a powerful method that's super accurate. It works over 79% of the time. And guess what? It's easy for beginners and pros alike to use. We've tested it, and most of the trades end up making money when you follow the rules and set it up right. Plus, you can use it on different time frames to make profits every day. In this video, we'll spill the beans on these special indicators and show you how to use them for over 79% accuracy. Don't miss out. Watch the whole video to learn how to supercharge your trading. Let's get started by opening a new chart on TradingView. First, click here and choose your favorite asset. Next, select your preferred trading time frame. Once your chart is set up, go to the Indicators tab and search for RSIVW. This one, and simply click to apply it to your chart. You'll see the indicator appear on your screen. Now let's add the second indicator. Click on the Indicators tab again and search for Extreme Reversal Setup Price Action by DB Decoy. Click to apply it to your chart. Once both indicators are applied, your setup should look like this. But to get the best results, we need to optimize their settings. Click on the settings for the RSIVW indicator. In the Input tab, change the RSIVW length to 15. Then adjust the oversold value from 19 to 10 and the overbought value from 80 to 90. Click OK after making these changes. Now let's adjust the settings for the price action indicator. Click on its settings and go to the Input tab. Change the multiplier from 2 to 3. Click OK once you've made the changes. These settings will enhance the accuracy of the signals generated by up to 85%. Now, let's quickly go over how to take precise entry positions with this setup for a buy signal. Because this setup relies on the collaboration of two indicators, we'll only enter trades when both indicators confirm the conditions. For a flawless entry, start by waiting for the blue RSI line to drop below the oversold level and form a green cloud. Then be patient until a blue signal appears. When it does, ensure that the RSI remains below the oversold level and that there's a clear green cloud. Enter the trade at the start of a new candle. Set your stop loss close to the recent low and aim for a take profit level that's 2 to 3 times higher. For sell signals, the rules are opposite. Wait for the RSI to cross above the oversold zone and form a red cloud. Once these conditions are met, watch for a red signal from the price action indicator. Execute the trade at the beginning of a new candle and place your stop loss near the nearest recent high. Try to set your take profit level at least 2 to 3 times greater than your stop loss. While the number of signals may be fewer than expected, executing trades properly will lead to minimal losses. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading strategies, and thank you for watching.